Hey guys, John the Gun here, and I'm doing a brand new video on a game called Slopes that I've recently heard of, and let's start off. So let's put our name, and my name's Dylan, so my real name's Dylan. Here goes. So intense. So loud on my earphones. What the oh no. Fuck! Look at their scores. Oh, this is my score, so. Coming! Alright, let's go again. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's really loud, the music. Fuck me, I can't get past 6. This game's really intense. I used to play with this with my friends at school, but like, I used to get up like level 20 and shit, but fuck now. It's a lot harder. Oh, you can fuck off. Oh my god, it just sucked me in. Alright, once again. So I got 16 that time, I think. Whoa. Shit. This 6, bro. Fuck. Haunting me, bro. Illuminati. Fucking devil 666, bro. 6 in a row. Coming. Yeah, I'm coming. Doing a YouTube video, mom. No, I'm doing a video. Does he know I'm John the Gun, so subscribe. Oh, you're fucking kidding, bro. This ain't Matrix. Alright, I'm gonna do 2 more turns. Cause I know my mom's gonna beat my ass if I don't go watch a cool movie. Oh my. Fucking. Oh. If I don't get past 10 right now. Coming! If I don't get past 10 right, I'm quitting. 10, at least 10. 10. Yes! Alright, seeing as this is a very short video, my mom's gonna beat my ass if I don't go eat dinner, and see you later. Thank you. Bye. And subscribe, like, comment, please. Please. I need 20 subscribers, please.